Hola everyone, welcome to Johnny the Strengths Coach channel. Welcome to Friday cook night, and tonight is going to be sweet potato nachos with beans, and the ingredients are, let me just turn the camera around everyone. Of course we have sweet potatoes, we have tomatoes, avocado, we have peppers again, we have mixed beans from a can, we have different types of peppers, we have our cheese, bit of barbecue sauce, bit of salsa, some chili flakes and some chili powder. So it's going to be quite a spicy one because it's a bit more of a Mexican style dish. The first thing we are going to do is we're going to stab the crap out of the sweet potatoes and then we're going to pop them in the microwave for 10 minutes. So let's do that now. So stab, 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 stab. Step. Okay, so sweet potatoes in the microwave. Diddly-dee. We're going to go 10 minutes on this one. Oh, sugar, it's gone too far. There we go. So, here we go. And while that's doing that, let's start chopping. So, just like last time, we're going to cut this pepper up and it's just going to get smash, smash, smash. And voila, they are chopped. I'm just going to do one pepper and I'm going to do one of these bad boys. So I'm going to go red, red, or I might go red, green. Either way, it's the same thing. They're pretty much the same thing. Sploosh. Alright. And we are going to add to the bowl. Simple as that. And now we're going to chop this one. Fire! Okay, now we've got the one chili going in. They're just cut up nice and finely. Another one in the bowl. Another one bites the dust. Dum 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 dum. Next, we're going to get a handful of tomato. Ah! Oh, you bastard. So yeah, either put these in halves or quarters or thirds, whatever you fancy. If you like thickness, go for thickness. If you like thinness, go for thinness. And voila, some more in there. Next we have the mixed beans. We're going to drain them first and then we're going to pop them into this lovely colourful bowl here. As you can see, it's looking very fresh and lively at the moment. What? Steph's telling me off for not putting the rubber gloves in. Now I'm just going to focus on them for about 3 to 5 minutes. Only joking. Okay, so we've got the beans here, all drained. I'm just going to slam them in there, make sure they all go in. I think I've got them all. Have I? Yes. Ooh. Now we're looking colourful. I now have female hands. I have now decided to cut this one in half and I'm going to scoop it out like this. Scoopy scoop. So you cut it in half first, scoopy scoop, always the biggest one. So we've got 3 sweet potatoes. The other 2 are going to be used as wedges, so we're going to cut them into small wedges sizes. But as we scoop this one out, we're going to use the skins as more like tortilla chips, and then they're going to go in this oven and we're going to love it and enjoy it. So hold tight, it doesn't take too. So these are the skins. There's a little yellow on top. These are going to go in the oven for 15 minutes and they're going to crisp up really, really well and they taste so good. We're going to add some chili flakes to them as well and chili powder to give them some extra spice. This is optional, guys. I know, again, yet for you people who don't love spice, may not enjoy this, but if you do, it's fucking good. Get some of the sweet potato that's been pulled out of the inside and we scoop it in and we put it in the bowl and we mix it up together with the beans, the tomatoes, the peppers, the spices, Oh, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Okay, in order to get the chili flakes and the chili powder to stick to the actual potato wedges and the potato skins, we're going to use chili oil. It's 1 calorie chili oil. You can use olive oil as well if you don't like the chili oil, but we like the extra bit of spice. An average olive oil tablespoon is usually about 110 calories, so it's actually a lot less calories to have the spray. So it is optional, but like I say, if you want to keep your calories down, you use the spray instead. And splash. And be careful with the chili powder. Oh god, I don't want too much. And boom goes the dynamite. So we put our skins and sweet potato fries into the oven for about 15 minutes on 180 to 200 degrees and smash it in. And 10 minutes later, and we are going to put a little bit of chili flakes into this bowl as well. Oh yeah, that's one spicy meatball. And barbecue sauce going now, original barbecue sauce. Nah, and stir. Yeah, mix it in nice and well. For those of you who don't want barbecue just sitting on the top. And next is the avocado. We're going to, can't see what I'm doing. Oh god. Female hands again. So we've chopped it in half and we're going to scoop it in, leaving the skins, of course, not to eat. And we're going to get on top of that again. And we've scooped all of it out. We're then actually going to use the masher for the real purpose and smash, smash. And when it's smashed, it looks a little something like that. Okay, we're coming out. Oh god, it's attacking me. I don't think people realise how difficult it is to try and look through a camera lens and, oh my god, get everything out. But there we go, I did it somehow. I didn't smash anything, which actually is a miracle. Okay, so it's out, looking all crispy and nice. And we've grated some lactose-free mature cheddar cheese. For those of you who don't know, I'm still lactose intolerant since last week, and I think I may remain that for the rest of my life. We're going to put that on, but first we're going to smash all of this onto this. And the bowl is empty and it's all on top, as you can see here. And the next thing that goes on is the cheese. Female hands have come back out again, and spread the cheese on nice and well. Just like last week's video of the pizza, the amount of cheese that you put on can actually bring up the calories, so try and keep the cheese at least a bit of a minimum, but you know, you want to enjoy your dinner as well, so you know, leisurely amount of cheese will be good. And on goes the salsa. Sploosh, sploosh, my salsa, salsa. Oh yeah. Okay, we've got everything on top, and now it's going back in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. So let that all cook together. And we're going in, and I've not dropped it yet, and it's still, yes, we have survived. So 15 to 20 minutes later, that's going to come out 180 to 200 degrees, and damn, I'm good. And voila, after 15 to 20 minutes, this is done. This is a portion size for about 4 people, or 1 if you're me, but the average person can have this between 4 of them. And how we just do it is we just get this endle and we scoop it out. But before we do that, we're going to put the avocado on top to finish it off. This is a veggie option. So this is vegetarians because it does have cheese on top. If you want to use alternate cheese and you want to do a bit more of a vegan option, you can obviously put alternate cheese on top instead. And we finally added the avocado, which is great, looks fantastic, Tastes fantastic too. I've had this a few times before. This one's going to be a bit of a spicy option, so I would recommend caution going to the toilet later. Only joking, it actually is really healthy and it doesn't come back on you at all. Not the best way to end a video, but bye!